So this question looks into the test that's been performed on a particular chemical, in this case ibuprofen. The results are given here. So these are results of certain functional group. We know aqueous sodium carbonate is the test for carboxylic acid functional group because it produces effervescence due to release of carbon dioxide gas. Bromine water is the test of an alkene or a double bond group. And if it worked, if there was an alkene group present, then the orange color would be decolorized. Acidified dichromate test is for oxidation and it works for 1 degree or 2 degree alcohols or aldehydes. And Fehling solution test is the test for aldehydes, where aldehydes will give you a positive test, where the blue color would turn into orange. Now, looking at this test, the only test that's positive is of aqueous sodium carbonate. So now we know that the answer would be a carboxylic acid is the functional group in that chemical. Now the question is, which one of these is a carboxylic acid functional group? This is your CHO group, which is for aldehyde. This one is CH2OH, which is of alcohol. That's a double bond group. That means it's alkene. And this is the only group that is COOH. That means this is the carboxylic acid functional group. So the answer for this is D.